Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix the action blocked problem on Instagram. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. In this video, I'm going to teach you 4 methods on which you can fix your action blocked issue on Instagram. So for method 1, we'll clear the cache or the excess data from your Instagram app. So to do that, firstly make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the settings menu on your device like this. Once the settings menu opens up, scroll down and find the apps option. After you click on the apps option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, click on the manage apps option, which will guide you to another page. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, on this search button type in Instagram and open up the Instagram app like this. Now you'll be guided to the app information page of Instagram. On this page, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see 3 options: clear, force stop, uninstall and clear data. So for this method, you'll have to click on the clear data option and then click on this clear cache button and then confirm it by clicking on OK. Now the excess data which you don't need on your Instagram has been cleared. This method should fix your Instagram. But if that method didn't work for you, don't worry, I have another method in store for you. Now for the second method, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Instagram app. After you're on the Instagram app, make sure that you're logged in and navigate to your profile. And on the top right corner of your screen on your profile page, you'll see 3 lines. Go ahead and click on it and then click on this settings button. Once you click on the settings button, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to click on this help button. After you click on the help button, click on this report a problem button and a pop-up will appear on your screen. On this screen, click on the report a problem option. Now you'll be guided to this page. On this page, you'll have to explain your problem and submit it to Instagram. So explain it by saying, my Instagram is showing action blocked error. Please fix it as soon as possible. And then click on the submit button on the top right corner of your screen. You can do not now on this. Now your report has been submitted. Instagram will review it, and in a couple of hours or in a couple of days, Instagram will fix it. Now the third method is simple. You can just wait for Instagram to fix itself by taking a short break. If your Instagram is not working or your action is being blocked right now, come back in like 2 to 3 hours and your problem could be fixed. Now the fourth method is to just simply uninstall the app. To uninstall the app, you can find the Instagram app on your phone, long press it like this and then click on the uninstall button on the pop-up that appears. These methods should fix your action blocked error on your Instagram. I hope this video helped you to fix your action blocked on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.